this procedure to directly edit a style in inventory. If the style has a template applied and the changes are permanent, you can also edit the template. To edit an existing style, we're going to choose a style that we created in a previous video, and we will click Edit. In the basic information section of the inventory item, we can choose the Style button, and this will bring up our style template. Make necessary edits in the top pane. Keep in mind that editing these fields will affect all items in the style. Make specific style item edits in the style grid. To add a new style item, select a Click to Add label for a column or row and type in a new size or attribute. Enter a 0 in the new cell fields created to add the new style items to inventory. So we're going to add another style or another size. We'll add 23 inches. And then this is where we would add in how many we have in stock. So we have just created each of those new inventory items. To edit sizes and or attributes of style items, click the labels of the horizontal and vertical axes and type a new value. Note that changing a size or attribute in the grid changes it for all items in that row or column. A confirmation window is displayed to alert you to this fact. So I'm going to type in, we're going to add 4 white 21-inch computers. And now that we're done, we will click Save. Just as in an item form, edits to an item's on-hand quantity or average unit cost result in point of sale creating adjustment memos, which are sent to QuickBooks Financial Software to update your inventory values. And that concludes our demonstration on how to edit a style.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.